Hi everyone. So, first, let me tell you about these. Um, they're the Salon Perfect Customized Individual Flares Kit. So it comes with individual lashes, and there was tweezers here, but I took them out because I like the tweezers a lot. And then it comes with glue. Oh no, this one's the glue, the clear glue. And then the stuff to take off the lashes when you're done. They're supposed to last 2 to 4 weeks. So you put them in, and then you're supposed to keep them on, or you can keep them on for that long. Today is the day after 4th of July. I did them yesterday, the day before 4th of July, so the 3rd, that night. And it was nice not having to do lashes when I got ready for the 4th of July. When I did my makeup and all that, it was nice not to have to worry about doing lashes, just because they were already done, and I slept in them and everything, and they didn't look any different after I slept in them. When you sleep in, like, I got my normal ones on now. Excuse me. And but anyways, yeah, when I sleep in like these by accident, they're all pushed up and they look funky. These ones they still look the same. So that's a plus. And then, like I said, it was nice not to have to do my lashes, but I don't think I will be using those again because, and I didn't think I used that much glue when I put them down. Like, I tried to use just a little bit, just enough to, obviously glue them on, but not a lot of glue. And I think it hardened really bad. I mean, I thought it was going to kind of be like regular lash glue, but it was so hard. Like, it poked my eyes. Like, I could feel the glue there. And I mean, I guess I see why it was so intense because, it's supposed to last weeks, not just, a day. Oh, sorry, that's gross. But yeah, it hurt that, especially in like the inner corners when I, blink or something, I can feel the glue. And like I said, I try not to use a lot when I was applying them because I assume you're not supposed to use that much, just like regular lash glue. So yeah, that was irritating. And then when I took off my makeup for the 4th of July, after the 4th of July, after I got home and everything, when I take off my eye makeup, excuse me, oh my God. I water the, or not water, but the makeup remover. I use it like a little pad, and oh, I heard fireworks. And I soak it, and then I set it on my eye, and then after I set it there for a couple seconds, I wipe it off. Well, on one eye, one of the lashes did come off, and on the other one, two came off. So at that point, they were already bugging me because they poked, and I already didn't like how they looked because they looked natural, and I wanted like kind of thick ones, especially with the eye makeup I had for the 4th. Like, you kind of just couldn't see them for real unless you were in my face. So anyways, after they came off, when I took off my eye makeup, I just started ripping them out. And obviously it hurt a lot. And you're not supposed to. That's why they give you the adhesive to take them off. But at that point, I was just kind of done. And I just wanted them off. So I didn't even waste any time using that. I just ripped them off myself. And then like, I had a clump of glue in my lashes, and that hurt like a bitch to get out. But I kept pulling it out, and it took me about 10 minutes to get that one little clump off. But like I said, yes, it did hurt. It hurt a lot, and obviously it's supposed to because they're supposed to stay on for a while. But like I said, I was already unhappy with them because I wanted them thicker. And they say if you want them, how, not how you want them, because that don't make sense. If you want them thicker, they say just add more until you get what you like. But I mean, you can only add so many to your eye before you run out of space, or you might run out of lashes or something. I don't know. So, and then I don't know. I just can't imagine that process after if you add just so many lashes. I can't imagine the process of trying to take it off. So yeah, they didn't rub off when I slept or, as I did my makeup that day. But when I used the makeup remover wipe, they did come off. So I'm not really sure how you're supposed to take eye makeup off if you use these. Because I just used regular makeup remover. And I thought the whole point of this was, it was a special kind of serum, I guess, to take it off. But I guess regular makeup remover does it too. So I don't know. That's just my thoughts on those. Like I said, I probably will not be using those again. I'm really happy with just using my ones that I can switch out every day. I guess after wearing those, I don't mind the extra process. Sorry if you hear the baby. I gotta go get him now. I swear, every time I get on here, he starts crying. He's totally fine the whole time. He just wants to be held now. We've been out all day, and now he wants to be held. But yeah, so I'm just gonna stick with my normal lashes. These ones today are the Kiss, or are they the Kiss? I can't remember which ones I'm wearing today. They're either Kiss or Salon Perfect 614. So yeah, I'm going to be sticking with these, and I don't like doing my makeup around the lash extensions either, for real. It was just kind of annoying. I like doing the whole eye look and then putting on lashes, but that's just me. So yeah, let me know if you like them, if you've used them, if, there's any tips that maybe I didn't put them on right or something. I don't know. Just let me know what you guys think. So far, not liking them. And if I do try them again, I probably will use regular lash glue and not this super lash glue, I guess. I'll probably just use regular ones and just take them off the next day or something. All right. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right. Bye.